The cult of the supreme being was a form of deism established in France by Maximilien Robespierre during the French Revolution. It was intended to become the state religion of the new French Republic and a replacement for Roman Catholicism and its rival, the cult of reason. It went unsupported after the fall of Robespierre and was officially proscribed when Napoleon restored Catholicism in France. The French Revolution had occasioned many radical changes in France, but one of the most fundamental for the hitherto Catholic nation was the official rejection of religion. The first new major organized school of thought emerged under the umbrella name of the cult of reason. Advocated by radicals like Jacques Hébert and Antoine-François Moreau, the cult of reason distilled a mixture of largely atheistic views into an anthropocentric philosophy. No gods at all were worshipped in the cult of reason. The guiding principle was devotion to the abstract conception of reason itself. This rejection of all godhead appalled Maximilien Robespierre. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.